oknen maber. Tingeni a police force ngi jadwa na duoki a judgment when you choke my court. You might disappoint why Kenya kabisa in your parliament. They seem not to be knowing what they want to do. Nikeche judge kano yalo the case truly. No goal or orders mommy or no watching in inspector general should be the one to recruit. But you are the sections. Money will be dealt with. Money will give money to okay parliament. Money to parliament to review. Maka give it maber. To get him give the attorney general, who is also who also sits an ex-official, to advise ye no my law wacho, my law duaro. Opogre gi mane wacho mar National Police Service Commission. National Police Service Commission, but they go any matin. Yet they have a larger mandate. Ma por ginyalo loso. In the sense the gima ginyalo timo is to bring fact ni giwacho now. Ni what they needed to have done was to look at things in the consequence ni what as these people brought Yogyo Kelonga. Ni Kenya magine human resource. Iwinja gine magita longa miloni human resource. Koro gide kacha mamano to chikoro yenigi. Ni jomonde kegi gine ngano mokelo gi. Iwinja ngano mokelo gi mondo wandege ka to gibiro gango. Koro gide rango no okay ngani obiro certificate mane. Iwinja ngani koso obiro certificate mane. Ngani no biro Canada. Test manyo kale nango. Aptitude test benyo mege macha test intelligence. Iwinja benyo mege benyeke kalo. You understand? Kodi nwanga gi to gigorega in the first process my recruitment. Mane magiketo golwen say idi. Moro mo gibedo joma ngama duong. Nyen ko mi mandate mar supervise ngato. Iduong na ngano. Maka ngano laure kodigi matin. To gi matin ni weyo ti dhi rite go malo. You understand? Nyegi wa ato process ni dhi nyime kaka inspector general wachon ane matelo njogi, let me give you best officers that have recruited personally. Iwinja koro ka giso recruit ki personally to in kaka nkech mande to yieni, you go there and say okay jogi koro kapo kabiro chulo gi msara. I want to know ni recruiting koro rango certificate orango ni into nyondi kinadi benye de pap benye rengo ni calamity test any medical mari. You understand? Koro gi check that process. Mano koro ka jogi tamo get to gine employer, they can say okay you have recruited, we are not employing. To gin gi gore gi matin ma dot ma onge teach nu walaro recruitment. Ngeche mano nyisi ni gilara soya. Iwinja that is actually the mindset magin go gilara soya no kendi bro nwango ni gimo mina no ka jo piny wak. En jo moko be no chako chama soya gindi chon. You understand? Mi bro nwango ni emomi okta inspector general. Kechiria komoro be ni Kenya kama very minute. Why should you have a recruitment exercise muso bedo kuwacho no the inter-district? Rudu ati medichiel countrywide. I don't know whether they had the personnel. To bende kagin personnel medical. How did they perform it? You understand? Ntie areas moko may they still needed an expert opinion. Kori bro nwango ni gigi e kama National Police Service monyoko omnego hike. Come me teach. Think beyond ngamidu agorigo. Gini monego gibed bigger. To giwa eno okay uso recruit jogi. Now we want to check because one more amigi payroll. Koro wadwa neno ngani bindo ndiko police yo makare ma wan wanyale employee. Kichwane kore human resource. So they don't do that. Gila regi kumatino tindo maonge teach. That's why we need knowledgeable persons in offices who cannot see the problem but solve the problem. Mandate. What will that mandate do? Ka itimo the service all the time. Neka manuni go police be recruited nyakanene. Nyakasani poko temre nikech gik matindo. Koro wayao gik moko ne ke jo Kenya gi joma wan gi civil society. Manyen gi to ka giteri court gitiyo. Ke gi fight in rights mara ya. Koro karama utimo manyala infringe right mara ya gin joma sponsor ko ngeni giti